Wait, what happened?
Amiga CD32, bro.
Amiga CD32.
Are you kidding me? First of all,
Kill screen, pause topic, restart activity menu, turn out of kill screen at the next PlayStation. Sudah, Ileco Anda out of us.
My videos.
Numero mattergat.
You know what? I gonna restart IT. IT LOL. LOL LOL.
stop.
Why did it froze or crashed?
Now
Now
is that
IT
red screen background?
turn into a red.
You word.
Just said a new everything. Nerd moment.
Press click nitrogen monoxide.
Stop saying nitrogen monoxide.
Nerdtrogen nerdoxide.
Stop saying nerdtrogen nerdoxide.
Why did I can't boot up on the screen? Oh no,
I
it's the
told
black
you
screen.
nitrogen monoxide
You're not
more turning ITR.
What is that music? I hear that copyright sound.
That's it. Press risk life leaving on.
Last chance.
I entering safe mode.
You know what? I'm going to safe mode.
Let's press on it.
What's just happened?
Wait. Fatal error incoming.
How? It's just fatal.
Nih is Fiakov dan Suks. Nih is
Stop. New Amiga CD32 is dead. Let's buy a new one.
Okay.
Well, fine then.
Nerd.
Stop saying nerd.